Hi guys, this is Chapter 7, Review Video 1, the first review video we're going to go over. So let's go ahead and jump right in. These problems are actually taken from the book's website, Glencoe. I posted a link to it a while ago, but they're just self-check quizzes, so they're kind of nice to just practice. And all these questions are very similar to what we're going to see on the test. Alright, the sides of A, B, C, D are proportional to the corresponding sides of E, F, G, H. Now it's very important that we have the order. That means E, for example, is going to correspond to A. If AD is 5, DC is 6, EH is 6, what is HG? First thing I should do is probably label my parts. So we got 5 here, we got DC is 6, and then EH is 6, okay? The first thing you guys should do probably for this video is try the problems yourself, then pause the video, and then see if you did it right with me. Okay? Alright, AD, this one corresponds to EH. Okay, so AD, I'm going to write a proportion here. AD is 5. It corresponds to EH. EH is 6. Okay, so it's very important that we have that the statement up here so we can set up the proportion correctly. And then DC, that's 6. So DC is the back 2, is going to correspond to GH, which is what I'm trying to find, and we'll call that X. Okay, cross multiply, we get 36 equals 5X. And if you haven't figured out yet, you're going to need a calculator for this to get the approximate correct answer, but we can probably just round here. 5 is going to go into 35 7 times, a little bit over, so D is going to be our answer. Okay, so we get D. Alright, quadrilateral ABCD is similar to quadrilateral WXYZ. Again, very important that we have that statement. Find the scale factor. We just have to go from one to the other and make sure we have corresponding parts. For example, AB right here, AB corresponds to WX, okay, WX. So we get basically a scale factor of 4 to 5, and it says ABC to WXYZ, so we have to go from the first one to the second one, so it's 4 over 5, okay, and that's my scale factor, and there's my answer. Alright, on this one it says two triangles are similar by what? Okay, we have 9 and 3. That only really gives me one side. I don't have any information about the other side, so side, probably not. Side, angle, side, probably not. So I'm down to either one of these two, and if you're really smart, you'll realize we don't even have an angle, side, angle similarity. This is going to be angle, angle. We do have vertical angles in here, and so AA. Which one of the triangles is not similar to the others? Okay, so we got to basically look for proportions here. I'm going to go ahead and see if I can make this bigger, easier to see. There we go. Boom. Now we're talking. Okay. I just used enhance on my computer. It's really techy. I don't even want to talk about it. But here we go. You notice we got all of our different sides. We just got to pick a side and just start trying to see which ones develop ratios that are similar. So I'm going to use this kind of the far side of all these triangles and start setting up some proportions. So okay, we got 5 to 6. I'm going to do 6 to 8. I'm going to do 8 to 4. Oh wait, let's see. 5 to 6. Yeah, I got that one. 6 to 8. Yep, 8 to 4. Okay. This will help set up the proportion to each one, or a better thing to do instead of doing this, actually, now that I think about it, let's do it not that way. Let's just set up a proportion to one side to the other, and if they have the same, then we're in good shape, okay? So boom, boom, boom. There we go. We'll go 8 over, and then we'll go to 5, so we'll kind of stick in this category, 8 to 5, then we'll do 9 to 6. I already have this color out, so I'm going to do all the bottoms first, and we'll switch over to the other colors. So 6 to 9 on top, 12 on top, and 6 on top. Perfect. Okay. Then let's go ahead and figure out how we can reduce all these. 8 over 5, that's going to be 1 and I believe 3/5. I'm just reducing these. You could throw these in the calculator. I don't have my calculator on me right now, so I'm just going to do this in my head. I can pull one up, but why do that when you could do this? This is a lot more fun. I'm thinking this one's probably the one that's off because 8 to 5 are odd numbers. The rest of these seem like they're going to be pretty similar. 8 goes into 12 once with the remainder of 4, so that's going to become 1 and 1/2. That goes in 6, and that becomes 1 and 1/2, and this is also 1 and 1/2. So here's my odd guy out, triangle W. All right, what is the value of x? Okay, so here's a situation where we actually have a median of the triangle. We've done this with trapezoids before. So 2x plus 5, we want to set equal to 6x minus 14. But if you guys recall, this is not the correct statement. What I need to do is go ahead and double this segment. So I'm going to double it and multiply by 2. So we get 4x plus 10 equals 6x minus 14. There we go. Let's move and groove. Subtract the 4x over there, and we'll add the 14 at the same time. That becomes 24 equals 2, x equals 12. Now, it is find the value of x, so I do know that I did that correctly. Alright, I believe this is our last one. In triangle ABC, BE is 4, start labeling stuff. EC is 10, AD is x, and DC is 11. Find x so that DE is parallel to AB. Well, that breaks us into corresponding segments that are proportionate. So we're going to go BE, the top, which is small to large, top, small to large, and we'll set that equal to the bottom segment, small to large. Okay, cross multiply, we get 10x equals 44 divided by 10. Okay, and this is going to become 4.4 equals x. Bam. Okay. All right, guys. I'll see you tomorrow.